Hello, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing Karachi biscuits. This is the famous biscuits from the Karachi bakery in Hyderabad, and I'm making an eggless version of the biscuits. This is super easy to make. Do check out the ingredients list in the description box. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell, and also like, share and comment. So to begin with, I have sieved together all-purpose flour or maida, custard powder, I've used vanilla flavor and some baking powder. I've sieved it into a bowl and we're going to keep this aside. In another bowl, I've taken some soft butter, into which I'm going to add powdered sugar, tutti frutti, some chopped cashew nuts and some rose essence. So I've taken the butter. Now let's add the sugar gradually and mix together. This process is called creaming. So the butter and sugar is mixed together and it's changed to an off-white color. Now I'm adding in the tutti frutti, cashew nuts and the rose essence. We'll mix everything together. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients, that's the maida, custard powder and baking powder. So let's add it into this mixture. I've taken 6 tablespoons of milk here at room temperature. We are going to add that into this flour mixture. So first we are going to mix all the ingredients together. And once it's mixed, we'll add milk gradually and make it into a smooth and soft dough. So the dough is ready and I've divided it into 2 equal portions. Now we are going to start working on the dough. So I've taken some cling wrap and placed a portion of the dough on it. Now we're going to shape this. We need to shape this into a cylindrical shape first. So I'm going to just pull this and shape it into a cylinder. It should be of 7.5 inch in length and 2 inches in width. So I've just shaped it into a cylindrical cuboid shape. And I'm wrapping it up in the cling wrap. So this is done. We'll do the same with the other portion of the dough. So both the dough cylinders are ready. Now we'll refrigerate it for 1 hour. So after refrigeration, I've taken it out and I've opened the cling wrap. Now what we'll do is, we'll preheat the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. And by the time the oven is preheating, we'll start cutting the biscuits. So I'm going to cut it into half-inch pieces. So I've arranged my first batch of biscuits in a baking tray. And now I'm going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. These biscuits turned out really well for me, so do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.